Good, we'll go live. Random lists. I hope we're good. Wait, hold on. Let me look at my OBS. Let me move my OBS to a different screen. There we go. Okay, test. You can hear me. If anybody's actually there, let me go ahead and see if I can. Why do I not have an easy share option? Okay. Let me find my stream here then. My studio. YouTube studio. Dashboard. I'm literally live right now. So, content. Live. There's the live stream. How do I view in live options? Get shareable link. Here we go. And we're going to go ahead and grab Discord here, move that to the other screen, go here. Hey, I'm still alive. Here's a stream if you're interested. I'm just going to be messing around in Unity with some visual scripting. Come stop by for a chat. Blammo! Okay, we're good there. Good. Get rid of that. I can see chats. Hopefully. Okay. So I am working with random lists. Okay. Create. Scripting. Script graph. Random list item. Okay, we'll start with that one. This one's really simple. We need an input. Bloop. The input, we have a trigger input. Enter. We have a data input. List. Oh, list. I mean, it should be list, right? List. I don't know if. I mean, just a list. It doesn't matter. AOT list should be okay. List. Okay. And then the output. Trigger output exit. Random list item. This will be object. I don't know if this will actually work. Random list item. Okay, so we enter. Let's see, we need a random. And we want exclusive. Okay. First thing we do, the min is 0, the max is count. So we count the list of items, pop it there, and then get list item right here. It's going to be the list, and it's going to be that item. And we just need output. This is really easy, isn't it? All there is to it? That's super simple. Let's see if it actually works though. Okay, so we're gonna keep using the same scene that I used before. Please use a keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. Currently, keyframes are not. I don't know how to fix that. I mean, 30 FPS, no drop frames. It was healthy, and now it says it's poor. You know what? I'm going to not worry about that error for the moment unless somebody actually comes in here and complains. Okay. So we're going to duplicate that button. We're going to move it down here. Give it a new name. Random. And we're gonna give this a name. Random. We're just gonna test and make sure this works. What exactly is all that crap? I don't want any of this. Bloop. All right. And this guy is going to be replace random list item. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, you go there. There's our list. We exit and this is going to output a ship. So, just get game object name. Just see what that does here. So, bloop. This should work. Okay, console, random. Okay, why did it not work? All right, so cannot convert game object to scripting. What? Where is this? I mean, it's really, this is weird. I mean, hold on. Do we have this list of game object? I don't want to open this thing. Are you doing something, Unity? No, you're not doing anything. If I push the button random again, same error, same error. So let's go to the button random and see what exactly it is doing. All right, let's make sure I'm hitting, yeah, random, 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 edit graph. So why is this not firing properly? Why is this so picky about where I can click and drag? Okay, that is so dumb. Okay. So it's inside here that the issue is. Okay. I think the problem here is we are feeding it a list of game object, right? Because it's a scene variable, list of game object. And we are then just AOT list. Okay, so that's a problem. I knew that'd be a problem. So let's go back here. All right, so instead of AOT list, collection. List. Why does the list have to have a type? Why does it have to have a type? Can you help me answer this question, Mr. Viewer, that doesn't exist? I mean, how do you convert a list to an AOT list? We can create an AOT list out of nothing. Create AOT list capacity. Huh, we could do an AOT list. Literal. Huh, okay. All right, it's still bitching. Okay, OBS, keyframe, interval. How do we set? Entire frame of sentence. Da, 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 da. So I need to actually go into OBS, go to my settings, my stream, and okay, output, streaming, audio. Let's go 2. Okay, maybe that'll fix it. Hopefully that'll quit. YouTube's complaining about the stream quality. Okay. I don't. Huh, I need to do a little research here then. So, collections and loops. Types, okay. Do we have a type list? This is Unity. This is not visual scripting Unity type stuff. Working with lists. No, that's a video. List of adding items. This is list, add item, list, insert item, list, set item. AOT list. I mean, instead of this, I should go into the button itself and convert, edit graph, and let's take this ships list. Okay. AOT list. Ah, here we are. Okay, cool. So I can just do this. That, 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 and that, right? And that should do it. I hope that does it. Let's see. Okay, blam. Okay. Let's check our console. Let's hit the random button. Hey, 3. Uh-oh, 3. Uh-oh, 3. 1. Okay, so it is randomizing. Cool, okay, easy enough. All right, so that means we need to go in here and put some notes in here. Something like that looks pretty good, right? Okay, so here we go. Random list item. List. List and outputs a single randomly chosen list item. Simple as that, right? So let's zoom in here. Let's go here, 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 and there, right? Like that, okay. Very simple and straightforward, isn't it? What do you mean? Keyframe 4 seconds or less. I just set my keyframe. Maybe I need to stop and restart. Let's stop and restart. All right, maybe, just maybe, the change in keyframe didn't take effect until I stopped and restarted, hopefully. Oh, now it's not bitching anymore, so maybe, yeah, maybe that's what happened here. Okay. Okay, so, and let's add some notes here. All right, let's make a note. AOT list, create AOT list C. List. Use the create AOT list C node, right? AOT list. Create AOT list. Let's see. Node and attach the out. You know what? I won't explain how to do it. To easily convert any type of list to an AOT list, use the create AOT list. Okay, use the create AOT list C node. I think that makes perfect sense, right? Random list item. Okay. So now create visual script. This is the hard one. Weighted randomizer. Okay. So, weighted randomizer. So, supply this node with a dictionary. The audio stream's current bitrate is 0. What do you mean 0? Hold on. Is it still? No, it says that I'm moving along, so it's okay. Supply this node with the dictionary. Key is your option with value set to weight. So trigger input, enter, trigger output, exit, data input, dictionary, T dictionary with an dictionary. Somebody calling from Georgia. I'm not answering. You can go to hell. Random item. Random item of type object, because we don't know what this is going to be. So object is good. So I don't know how to do this. So we have a dictionary, right? I really don't know how to do this. We're going to do a for each. I mean, this is the easiest way. For each dictionary, blah, 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 and then value. You know what? Let's do a for loop. Right? And then we need to, over here, create list. No, that's not what I want. Oh, I did this before. List interface. No, it's collections that I'm looking for. No. Replace. No. How do I get Unity visual scripting? Unity collections list. Okay, so it's here. Collections list. There we go. Okay. Great list. No. Collections lists. This isn't right. I don't want to. I could just create a list with 0. Simple as that. And then we'll create Blackboard graph output list. Let's see. List. Hey, yo, Boshnabar. I don't know how to pronounce your name, man. Bowish Nucero? And what is vum.today? Is this some sort of spam garbage? You're trying to send in some kind of URL for me to go to? Like, what is this? I don't even know vum today. Is that like you're trying to speak English? You're not good with English? I don't know. I would like to hear more from you. Please tell me about it. Okay, so temporary list. This is just Okay, so we have a list, and then we want to set this like this, and then we go like that, right? So this is empty list. Okay. I don't care about the index. We want to add list item, right? So on the body, and then we've got our temporary list here. And the list item is the key, like so, right? And so what this does is, okay, let's set the variable. Oh, let's list clear. Okay, cool. That'll do. Okay, so now we are literally starting with a fresh, empty list here, right? Because that's what we want. Sorry, dude. I am going to report you for spam. Where's your report? Thank you. Goodbye. Okay. And on the exit, let's see. Random list item. We use this one here, right? We exit this. And then output. Simple as that, right? And then we need to take this guy like that. I hope that's good enough. Like, how do I fire this now? Let's go to the random button. The graph. Okay. For each, just do this. We're going to take our list. We're going to feed our list here first, okay? We're going to delete this guy. We're going to replace, no, we're going to go back, replace weighted randomizer. Delete that, right? Okay, and then for each, we're going to create a dictionary, right? So AOT dictionary, create. Wait, why don't I have? Okay, so we can create our dictionary up here. We click the button, and then dictionary clear. Dictionary clear. And then we loop through that list, right? Okay, so let's graph variable. AOT dictionary, perfect. Okay, and then we will set like so. The variable, and then perfect. Okay, so there's that, there's that, there's that. So we click the button, and then we loop through this, and then we will, during the body, we will dictionary AOT dictionary. Okay, how about add? Okay, here we go. Body. Bloop. The dictionary is this guy. The key. So the key in. this guy here. Instead of calling this dictionary, this needs to be called AOT dictionary. Like that. Maybe? Let's see what happens here. All right. We're going to get all kinds of errors, or is it going to work? Is it just going to work from the beginning? Oh, must be non-negative. Okay, so let's see what it is doing here. Where is it failing? Weighted randomizer is breaking here. So our temporary list, list. And somewhere in here, get 0. 0, 0. What? Why is this list? Create a temporary list. Add. Huh? 0? Value 0, 0. So, oh, ships. Oh. So here's our problem. Let's move this crap over here. Let's close this down. Let's turn this off. Let's edit the graph. The graph is actually a problem here. Okay, so all right, instead of being 0, let's go math. No, let's add. Okay, that should fix it, hopefully. Okay, random. Why did it return a whole bunch? So when it creates the dictionary, it should clear the dictionary, right? And then what it's debugging is, this is just on button click. It should just be wedge grade 2. Huh. What's going on here? Let's try again. Oh, I hit the wrong button, didn't I? No? Clear. Simple thing. 4. Okay. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 ones, 5 of those. So that's doing right. So our temporary list is working right. Are we clearing? We are clearing the temporary lists. That's good. In case. We create an empty. Maybe we should clear before we No, that's fine. That's fine. But why is it outputting more than 1? This is on the exit. Huh, okay. So if we break that, and then we hit the random button, put that back, hit the random button. Why is it happening more than once? I don't understand. Let's clear it again. Random. 01, 3, 01, 1. Why is it doing it 5 times? Let's go back. Okay, so we push the button. When we push the button, we create a list, and we set the variable to that list, and then we clear it. Simple as that, right? Oh. That one should be going there instead of that one. That's why. Right? Okay, so let's see. Clear, random, random. Okay, so the exit on the for each loop there. Okay, so that was the button itself. Boop, boop, boop. All right, I think we got it. This weighted randomizer seems to work. Very nice. So let's have a look at what it does. Oops. Outputs. This is probably not. What the hell? Are we dropping frames now? Oh, yeah. Dropped 2.5% of my frames there for a second. Should catch up with me in a moment here. Okay. Let's make it pretty, so, so pretty. Let's look at things and how we do. Temporary list. Okay. How about that? Okay. So let's name this guy nice. Create temporary list. And then this loops through the dictionary. These guys are on their own up here for now. So let's work on looping through the dictionary. Loop through dictionary. Okay, let's pull this guy out here. Let's grab these three, move them separately. To list according. Add. Propagate list by weight, maybe. Don't know if that's right terminology or whatnot, but sure, why not? Okay, so this one should be purple. Purple. No, not purple. This one should be blue. Blue is a loop. Build list. This should be green. This should be green. This should actually be teal, I think. And then there. Extract. Random item. Random item. Produce? We're not producing a random item. We are choose random item. Okay, so what exactly is our input here? Our input is an AOT dictionary, right? We're good there. Okay, and this one should be teal. Guess I can do that. Like so. And output here, like so, right? Okay, output, input, that's pretty good. Okay, weighted randomizer. And if we go back to the actual button, let's see, headed graph. This is dictionary, and they're just AOT dictionary. We're building it from there. That's fine. Okay, AOT dictionary, random item. Key is, let's make a name here. Key is your item. Summary. Random item object put. Okay, so because this can do strings, this can do anything. Okay. So whatever weight that is, it adds it a number of times. Okay, that's rather ingenious. And then this guy is just really simple. Okay. I think I might have it. I think that's really all there is to it. So this guy accepts AOT list. What is up with this stupid YouTube thing? Why is my internet shitting itself? Like, still only 2.7? Whatever. Okay. List. Maybe. Let's make this teal because it's doing something, right? Cool. Okay, weighted. Let's look at this again. Uses the random list item output. Random. Random item. Random item. And that broke this thing, right? Yeah. Random item. Perfect. Okay. Value set to weight. Okay, I think that's easy enough. I think that's pretty much what it is, right? I mean, I've got this guy. Pick random list item. I mean, we got this, right? Okay, that was It only took what? How long is my 40 minutes to do? Cool. We got it. Let's go ahead and just export. Package. Random lists. No, I don't like that name. I don't like that name. Random list item. Maybe just call it lists. What do you think? And then I could actually put this is game object distance comparator could still be in lists because this one works through the list, but this is specifically about distance. And this doesn't have to do with lists and stuff. Okay, so that's fine. Export package, export list. No, that's not going to work. That's not going to work. I need another name. I need another name. List. What is it called when you're working with lists? List manipulation? List logic. Let's go to a thesaurus. Manipulation. List handling. Ooh, I like that. List handling. We'll call it that. List handling. Handling? Maybe. Let's see. What other synonyms for the word handling? Manipulation, approach, treatment. No, I don't like either of that. Let's go back to manipulation. Why am I only looking at a noun? How about manipulate instead of shun? Manipulate. Manage. List management, of course. List management. No, random. Randomizers. That's what it's going to be, because this isn't about lists. This is about random. So let's export package. Okay, maybe random list item isn't the right name for it. Maybe instead of random list item. No, you know what? That's fine. We'll do that. Okay. Do not export dependencies. Randomizers. All right. Cool. So let's get some screenshots here. Oh, hey, I got a game dev. Nice. I'll check it out. Actually, just thrown a couple of other things. You know what? I'll worry about that later. Okay, so let's print screen. What is up with YouTube not getting my internet? Here I thought it was just me. Okay, so we take that. Oh, I didn't mean to get everything. Fixed aspect, please. Image crop to selection. Okay. Overview. Oh, that's pretty good, actually. And oh, that's perfect. Print screen. Boop. Let's not use a fixed aspect ratio. And instead, let's make it the proper size. Image, crop to selection. Thank you. Okay, so this is called random list item. This is called weighted randomizer. Okay. Now I need to combine these two. Randomizer. Actually, you know what? This is perfect. Let's make it yellow. Okay, good, good. Now let's move this to, let's not move this, let's center it. Boop, to the center. Randomizers, is that the right word? Randomizers, yeah. Randomizer, okay, perfect. Okay. And let's add a new layer. Blah, blah, blah. Put it beneath this one. Let's grab our text tool. Let's go to our randomizers layer. Let's hit this guy up. Let's go path from text. Let's go select from path. Let's select grow. Okay. Flood fill with black. Shazam. And then we take this guy and we merge down. So it's all one layer. We select nothing. Then we do our little rotate here. Bam! Like this, maybe. Randomizers. Rotate. And now we need to grab our Unity image here, the logo. Just kind of plop it right there. And then we'll move that guy up over here-ish. We will layer the image size. We will filter light and shadow, drop shadow at 0. Make it white just so it glows. Okay, okay. Export as randomizers. Thumbnail. Export. Okay, cool. So now what we're going to do here is we're going to go to my itch dashboard. And we're going to create a whole new project. We're going to go back and use an existing project, the one that I just put up here. Right. Randomizer subgraphs. Right? Visual scripting. Classification is an asset. Downloadable is correct. Release is fine. Upload files. And we need to go here to, no, here to here. Randomizers. We need to upload a cover image. And this one is here. Randomizers, let's hope that works. Add a screenshot. Randomizers, add a screenshot. And we've got random list item. And we've got weighted randomizer. Okay. So we take that whole thing. Boop. Make notes these. Subgraphs. Graphs are used to produce, to pick, to choose, to return, are used to Is my internet just crapping itself here? It's green. Bitrate isn't going. I'm not dropping crap. What the hell? All right, these subgraphs are used to pick a random item. Let's grab my tags. Bloop. Okay. All right, and this is randomizers. To use. All right. Do worry about that. To subgraphs included. One returns a single item chosen randomly from the supplied AOT list. The other single random item chosen from the supplied AOT dictionary. Key is your item value dictionary. How about dictionary key? Dictionary value should be. You know what? I'm not gonna. This is gonna be for use, not for. Okay, to use. All right, we have two separate graphs here. So our graphs: random list item. List item. Supply node with an AOT list. It will output randomly chosen item. Any type. Right? Let me make sure I made that clear here, right? To easily convert any type of list to an AOT list, use the create AOT list node. Perfect. Weighted randomizer. Weighted randomizer. Supply the node with an AOT dictionary. Key can be of any type and should hold the dictionary value should be of type integer. And denotes the weight be. It's the weight. Must be a positive number. Positive numbers only. Okay, I think that's pretty clear and straightforward, right? Let me add to my dictionary so it quits. Let me add to my dictionary so it quits bitching about that, right? Okay, cool. We got our tags, got our nouns. Let's go ahead and put that one like so. Let's go ahead and put that one like so. Oh, I forgot to install. Okay, do I have everything here? I think I've got everything here. I am on a roll today, aren't I? Let's take a look at this page. How's it going here? Randomizers. Looks good to me. Let's go ahead and edit the asset package. Let's make it public. And let's view the page. All right, let's go ahead and show this off. Cool. So just added another offering a couple of randomizers. Cool. Cool. So we got that. Project. Okay, let's go to YouTube. Here. And we're just going to go ahead and create us a post. Ah, I've done it again. Randomizers. Subgraphs allow you to random item 1 dictionary. Another uses the dictionary to grab this item here, looking for randomizer. Where is it here? Randomizers. Thumbnail. Perfect. Blam. Okay. Can I not grow the preview? Why can I not grow the preview? Why? Okay, that's fine. To give weight to the items you're trying to randomly pick from. Post. That's really bad. I really wish I could have zoomed that one out and get a square, but you know what? Who cares? It's all good. Okay, doing great. Okay, cool. I think I might be done. Done with you. Don't save any changes. I am done with you and done with you. All right. Well, that is the end of our stream. We've been going for just about an hour and had one person show up to drop a random garbage link or something. I don't even know what it was. we have now in 1 hour created randomizer subgraphs, 2 new graph offerings. So let's take a look at. Oh, you know what? Devlog. Randomizers. I just can't help myself. An idea in my head, and I roll with it. After dealing with the distance subgraph, after dealing with the last, I had an idea for randomizers. 2 together. First is very simple. First, comma. It's called a random list item. Is that right? Oh, I should not have closed that. Oh, it's open. Ah, random list item. Very simple. When supplied with an AOT list, we'll return a single item from single, comma, random item from the list. Complex and requires the first function. When supplied with an AOT dictionary, it uses the value as a weight system. Turns key, say dictionary, and returns the dictionary key as the randomly chosen item. Okay, that's perfect. Tags. I need my tags back. Gonna upload a cover image. And it's gonna cut it weird, maybe. We'll save that, and now we've got ourselves a devlog. Cool. Okay, cool. Let's go view all about me. Let's see how I look. I got my randomizers there. Ugh, I don't like that it does that. I thought I was doing a good enough job. Whatever, game object. I'm not great with my thumbnails. I should probably go back through and redo them or something, but look at that. I've got 10 now. Beautiful. All right, I think that's it. That's all the time I have today for this stream. Maybe one of these days I'll actually come back and stream a video game or something. Wouldn't you like that? All right. Thanks for watching. I will catch y'all on